Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to change the number of FPS in Shotcut. So if you would like to change frames per second in your project, I recommend you to use one from two available settings. First one option is based on video mode, so we need to go to settings, then we go to video mode and we need to select here custom. Now we need to go to add. If this window will be displayed, we need to click here yes, and then we need to type here name, for example custom 2. And we need to change frame per second. For example, I type here 60 and I click OK. This second option is based on export settings, so we need to go to export and then you need to select one from available formats. For example, I select here YouTube and then I go to advanced. And here you can find frame per second settings. You can increase or decrease this value by clicking here or by typing the correct value. Of course, everything depends on your preferences. I will set here 60. And that's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to check links in description.